What is the real meaning of cumin in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of cumin dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see cumin in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, good health and harmony in life. As well as this dream also suggests that you are going to get many small but important success in the coming future. That will make you more powerful and successful person in real life. Now number 2, if you see eating cumin in a dream, then it indicates easy success in any work, project or planning. As well as this dream also suggests the ending of life problems soon which have been bothering you for a long time. Now number 3, if you see cumin plants or crop in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication in the form of success with financial gain in life. Now number 4, if you see buying cumin in a dream, then it indicates progress and financial gain from a business, job, etc. Or you are going to get new opportunities for success in the coming future. Now number 5, if you see stale or spoiled cumin in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to cross-check your plans before execution. Because there is something important thing is missing in your plan that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to get the desired results in life. Now number 6, if you see cooking something with cumin in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates success in any work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in life. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in real life. Now number 7, if you see spilling cumin in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your plans before execution in life. Because you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to get the desired results in life.